Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you guys how we can connect to database with using two methods. So let's get started. As you see, now I have browser and then my PHP my admin and my local machine. First we will talk about procedural PHP because two methods like I said before, just two methods. First is procedural and then and the second is video. Video is PHP data object. So let's create now. First is procedural PHP. Okay, we can type like this: MySQL Connect. We can create inside here like this if you have a error. So if not, die database problem. Okay, now MySQL Connect is localhost and then root and then is password is nothing, and if not MySQL select DB database name. Okay, or I think you need to create or, and then you see database problem. That means we don't have database for now. Let's create database name. Okay, and let's refresh. We can create a connected if else echo connected. Okay, all right, connected. So I'm using this is my setting default. If you want to see users, if you see I have user root and host is localhost and then password is no. Alright, and I'm using database name for my database, so that is connected. um it's better if I using a variable for here. So let's create host localhost and then users is root and then password is nothing and database name is database name. Okay, and then we can change for now host and then users and the last is password. Okay, and database is database name. Okay, and see what's happened. I still come back right here, but if I choosing like a root like that, it will be error database problem because root is not my user. So what about localhost? I'm using port 3 for example. That's still come back like this. That is um error. You can also make something like this: MySQL error. Okay, like that. You see, no connection could be made because the target machine actively reviews it. Alright. Okay, so that is how we can connect to database by using procedural. But now I'm gonna using a method video. So okay, for just I wanna commenting for now, and then I wanna remove this, and then I wanna handle new video MySQL host. I'm gonna using localhost and then DB name. DB name is a database name. Sorry, I think underscore, and then root and then password. So we can see what's happening inside our browser. Fault or error with message access root is nothing. So we can see, you know why is show up, because the password is nothing in our user root. Like I said before, password no, so we can create empty, but we create inside here password. So we can get the message access then for user root at localhost using password yes. Okay, so we can create inside like this. Okay, that's cool. So you can also make something like a try. So I'm not commenting up. So we can create inside here a password going to be password, and then users going to be users, and then database name I'm going to use database name. Okay, like that. And then about localhost I can create host. Okay, and database like to. Okay, like this. I think this is the error, so we can remove this and see what's happened again. And then we can create a rooted, for example, and then see error. We can, because root is nothing in our my user, so we can create by using try. Okay, and handle is right here. Okay, cat exception is video, so we can create database problem. So let's see, because we are not using the error of the root or the host of database, so we can now names. We can create a database names like this and see database name. But we also you can do something like a get message. It's a function of PHP video. So we can see. So if I'm using the wrong root user, I think, and then see what's happened again. Alright, access daynet again. So that is how to make connecting with two methods to database in our page. That's all we need to do inside. So until the end, see you next time, guys.